Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Solana on Binance. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to first tap on this Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and then you need to tap on Spot. Now over here, you need to make sure that you have enough USDT in your account, and if you have it, then you will have to come to the home page and then you need to click on this Binance icon in the top left hand corner. After that, you need to tap on More Services, then scroll down and then tap on Convert. Once done, you will be landed on this conversion page where basically you can convert your USDT into Solana. For that, in the From section, you will have to tap on this drop arrow button and then you need to select USDT. Then in the To section, you will have to search for Solana. After that, you will have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to spend in order to purchase Solana. Then you will have to tap on Preview Conversion. Once done, it will show you the conversion rate, fees and the amount that you are going to get when you convert your USDT into Solana. So you will have to tap on the confirm button in order to purchase Solana on Binance. If you want to purchase Solana according to its current price, then you will have to come to the home page again and in the search bar, you will have to search for Sol. Once done, you are going to see various pairs of Solana such as Sol/USDT, Sol/FDUSD, Sol/TUSD. So if you want to purchase Sol with USDT, then you will have to tap on Sol/USDT pair, and here you are going to see its current price. Now over here you need to tap on buy in the bottom and then you will be redirected on this Spot page where you are going to see the current price of Solana. Here you will have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to spend in order to purchase Solana. After that, you will have to tap on this Buy Sol button in the bottom, and this way your order will be placed and you are going to get Solana in your Binance account. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.